Hello everyone, my name is Zoe Joy and welcome to my channel about everything. So in today's video, I wanted to open up to you guys about my content and my YouTube channel and the fact that my videos can be categorized as all over the place. So some of you watching are here because of my hair videos, some of you are here because of my hula hoop content, others just stumbled upon this video and have no idea what's going on, and that's okay. But honestly, I just wanted to open up in this video and sit down and share what's on my mind and share what's going on in the future of this channel. So let's see the types of videos I've made. I've made hula hoop videos, I've made hair videos, I've made mental health videos, I've made videos across the board, to be honest. So first things first, I want to explain sort of how my brain works and the way that it creates the videos that you're watching and just everything I sort of do in life. And it's honestly something I've just realized myself. I'm a very analytical thinker. I like to plan, I like to have structure, I like to know what I'm doing and have a process of how I'm going to execute something. On the other hand, free-spirited side of the brain, she's a creative, she loves to fly off the handle and do whatever she wants. She has a million ideas and she wants to execute all of them at the same time. Yeah, homegirl's a free spirit, and the two sides of my brain are very, it's hard to get those to cooperate with each other. Logical side says, you know, find a niche, stick to that niche, make content within this niche. Am I saying that right? Niche? Or is it niche? Because I honestly don't know, okay? Anyway, I'm going to use niche and niche interchangeably because I honestly don't know which one is the real one, so. Anyway, I'm that person that wants to be everything, learn everything, and go everywhere. I love to hula hoop, I love to make videos, I love to make jewelry, I love to paint paintings and draw drawings, I love to read different books, I love to make things and learn new things and learn languages and put myself out there and get out of my comfort zone, and I love to make content about all of those things. So that all being said, that's how my brain works. I have a lot of interests, love doing a lot of things. Why is that a problem? In theory, it isn't. However, when it comes to YouTube videos and content creation within itself, the YouTube gods smile upon consistency and staying within a niche, staying within a brand. You know, if you are a home decor channel, you stick to home decor content. If you are a hula hoop channel, you stick to hula hoop content. Now, whatever it is that you do, you connect with your specific audience because of that common passion for what it is that you do and the content that you make. If you have a channel that's about nothing and everything, how are you supposed to connect to an audience? And that is the dilemma. In the world of online content, niching or niching is the name of the game, and I have never been good at that. I've never been good at niching. I literally don't even know how to say the word, you know? I've always found the whole entire idea of niching as limiting. I don't understand how a person can stick to one color scheme or one type of content forever and just be content with making that type of content. Honestly, this would greatly explain my Instagram because just look at it, you'll see what I mean. And I also noticed that within YouTube content, people find a way to always have the same temperament and emotions and personality in every single video, and I that's another thing I don't understand. Like, honestly, sometimes I'm weird, sometimes I'm wacky, sometimes I'm poetic, sometimes I'm deep, sometimes I'm serious, sometimes I'm in a good mood or a bad mood. Like, don't you guys have different emotions? Like, if I could be everything, I literally would. I honestly would. I just want to live my life trying things and creating things and being free to do so. And I've always kind of been this way. I was that kid that could never pinpoint, oh, this is what I want to do with my life. This is my passion. This is blah, blah, because I just want to try everything. my passion was trying everything. My passion was learning about new things. My passion was just to create anything that came across my mind. And when I was younger, I was very free and I allowed myself to just create whatever I wanted. And I ended up starting a jewelry line. I ended up taking up hula hooping. When I see something and I think that it's impossible, I really just want to do it and try it and prove to myself that I can do it. That explains a lot of things that I've done in my life in my past. When I saw hula hooping, it looked absolutely impossible. And I said, I'm going to freaking master that thing. I'm going to be the best freaking hula hooper anyone the world has ever seen. And you know, I'm not too bad, I'm not even gonna lie. So I've been trying to solve the problem of why I want to try everything and do everything, and why I can't just call myself one thing and stick to that one thing forever. I've just been reading this book called Refuse to Choose by Barbara Sher. And honestly, this book is kind of changing my life, and I'm so happy that I discovered it, because it's that answer to that burning question in my head that I've had for so long of what's wrong with me, and the answer is absolutely nothing. This book just really highlights the type of brain that I have and so many other people have. And as I'm reading this book, and just with each word and each page, I'm like getting that affirmation of like, oh my goodness, this is me. This is how I feel. This is how my brain works. And it's like really letting you know, like, wow, there's nothing wrong with you. You're supposed to create everything in your heart to create. That's just how you're supposed to live your life. So if you are the type of person that also has like a lot of ideas and you just want to act upon those ideas, if you're the type of person that just wants to try everything and do everything, there is nothing wrong with you. You're just a creative, artsy-fartsy, free-spirited person, and there's honestly nothing wrong with that. If you've been with me a while and you notice that I post sort of sporadically or things aren't super consistent, this is honestly why, because I'll have an idea and I'm like, oh my god, I want to follow through with this idea, but this limiting idea of, oh, it's not within a niche or a brand, and I have to stick to this specific type of content. When I do overcome my analytical mind and I just say, you know what, I'm just going to let myself be free and put this content out there, it is the most freeing thing ever. Honestly, at the end of the day, I have to just stay true to myself. So I'm giving myself the out. No more niches, no more brands. I'm just me, and I'm just going to make videos about what I want to make them about. This is the channel about everything and nothing at the same time. So as you can imagine, things are gonna get a little random from here on out. And if you're with me, I love you. But just know at the end of the day that my intention is authenticity and self-discovery and celebrating life and all its ups and downs and merry-go-rounds. Are you with me? Still? Are you still watching? Please? Yeah guys, this has been a video about nothing and everything, and so will this channel. Isn't it crazy that Seinfeld had the secret to life this whole entire time?
Everybody's doing something. We'll do nothing.
So we go into NBC, we tell them we got an idea for a show about nothing.
Exactly.
They say, what's your show about? I say nothing.
There you go.
I think you may have something here.
So yeah guys, I'm super excited. Within the next couple of weeks, you're gonna get videos about home decor and intention and decorating and language learning and fashion and hula hooping and all the above. Maybe even a little travel. How would that would be fun, wouldn't it? And I hope you guys stick with me. I hope you guys weather the storm of the randomness that's going to rain down upon you. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are with me, you can subscribe to this channel for all the randomness. If you like this video and you are also a limitless being unicorn that wants to do and try everything, give this video a like. And yeah guys, I will see you in the next random video. I love you.